Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you had a phenomenal holiday weekend here. To add on and build upon what we share with you in the weekend video, you'll see what happened here. We went ahead and we had a one-bar close above the weekly midpoint resistance I've been so fixated on here, and then we're right back down below it. We talked in the video, so make sure if you didn't watch yesterday's video, the weekend video there, Sunday video, that you see what I was talking about with the buy the rumors, sell the fact on the real estate. I know that there's a lot going on right now, comments being made, well, the market's down because of protesters in China. Now, I don't want to get political or stuff like that. Let's just keep it to some basics. If President Xi Jinping goes ahead and he cracks down on the protests and quells them, then we're basically status quo to what's been happening with all the lockdowns and everything going on there. If he goes ahead and appeases them, and starts to open things up, then we go ahead and we start getting cheaper goods, and our costs can potentially, start to go back down again. So I would see that more as a benefit to the market. Market could actually rally. The point I'm making is you can speculate all day long. We talked to you in advance of this, and the Xi Jinping protests have been going on for more than just overnight here, right? So it's already news that was out there. And so I just want to kind of have people really focus on the actual technicals and what's going on with the market, because you'll drive yourself bonkers trying to figure out the news and what it means. And people look to the news for excuses of why the market's doing this or that. How about we look at the charts? And that's what I've always tried to do with you over the years and focus on that in particular. There's times and places for fundamental data, such as interest rate hikes and things of that nature. But going into this Monday here, I was concerned about buy the rumor, sell the fact, because of all the retail markets that had gone up for the last several weeks. We showed you that in yesterday's video, so watch that. And of course, one bar close above the midpoint does not make a trend. So we're still stuck in here. We've got this falling resistance on a weekly basis on the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, and we've got rising support underneath. So we're still whipping back and forth in there. That being said, it's all opening up some incredible opportunities with the strategies that I taught you here back about a month ago. ITP is kind of a culmination of my life's work there, really advanced work for serious active traders, investors, people that are very serious. They know they love the markets and really want to be involved with them. And so we did a big class for you, because I'd only done one other class earlier this year because I had the surgery. So we were kind of playing makeup here. So everything I taught you in that class happened over and over and over again today. And so you can see it here. So obviously I was firing off multiple trades today for obvious reasons here. The market, all of them were short side, 1 minute, 5 minute, hourlies, all going down there. And so what's happening here is, from my perspective, going into the next couple of days, I'm going to be watching that key resistance. I'm going to be watching these trends. I prefer to trade with these trends. And also, then don't forget those wonderful re-entry opportunities as calculated traders. We had those over and over and over again. So whether you're a calculated trader or a confident trader, there was a lot for you in this market today. And I'm very proud of my trading, and I want to make sure you guys are seeing these same things as well. So I'm going to take the things I taught you a month ago, and I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time here. This week, we're going to take a look at this. We're going to do something different as well. This Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 a.m. Pacific, we're going to do this very special class. You do not want to miss it if you're a serious trader, active trader, investor, very serious and passionate about the markets. You really want to do this. You do not want to miss that very special event and in the special time there at 10 a.m. Eastern. So I'm looking forward to basically taking, this is picture perfect of everything I taught you at the last time we did this. And so we're going to go through this all over again to make sure you guys are prepared. I told you we've got these incredible moves coming. There's so much more ahead of us here into the end of the year and to kick off 2023. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, and we'll look at this together. So we don't have to worry about what the the news is saying is going on. We can just look at the charts and we can trade accordingly. And I'm going to teach you a lot of these great strategies here Wednesday morning. Okay, so make sure you watch yesterday's video to kind of catch up on building upon that theme, and then make sure you join us here Wednesday morning at that special time, 10 a.m. Eastern, and plan for about 2.5 hours for that event. I'm going to be throwing a lot of really great information at you. Okay, have a great rest of your evening. I'll look forward to seeing you. in the upcoming videos, the upcoming class here Wednesday, and looking forward to ending the year very strong here. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.